Hello, today I will show you how to descale your Delonghi espresso coffee machine. When do you need to descale your machine? If your rinsing or descaling button is blinking like in this video, your machine needs to be descaled. So let's go. Pour 1 liter of water into the water tank. Add your descaler. Place the water tank back into the machine. Now turn on your espresso machine. Hold the rinsing button for 5 seconds to enter the descaling mode. And now, turn the steam knob to the right. The process is started and it will last about 20 to 30 minutes in cycles. Bonus tip. Bring your espresso machine next to your sink and point your steam spout into it so you don't have to worry about emptying the bowls. When the process is finished, you will see the lights flashing like this. Take out the water tank and wash it with dishwashing liquid. After it has been washed, fill the tank with fresh water and place it back into the machine. Turn the steam knob to the right and then to the left again and wait till there is no more water in the tank. Well done, you've reached the final step. Turn the steam knob to the left again and that's it. Your machine is descaled. I hope this tutorial helped you. Have a great day and enjoy your coffee.